Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my morning cleaning routine video. So I wanted to make this video to show you all what my general routine is in the morning with cleaning. So it's just showing you a normal morning with me and my son at home and how I clean the kitchen quickly every morning. It's really routine. I do the same thing day in, day out, unless I'm at work. And it's just how I find I keep on top of things and the house stays clean and tidy just by doing a really quick clean up every morning. So before we get into the video, I just want to say, one, thank you so much for choosing to watch my video, and two, if you choose to subscribe before you leave and give me a thumbs up, that would mean a lot to me. Thank you. So let's get going. The first thing I do every morning, without fail, when I start the cleaning routine is I fill my sink, or the small part of my sink, with Zoflora. I do this with really hot water, not boiling hot, but pretty hot water, because that helps fill the house with a nice smell as well. So the first thing I'll do is fill up the sink and I'll leave that to stew for a minute. So while the Zoflora is cooling down, I'm going to empty the dishwasher. This is pretty routine. I try and put the dishwasher on every night in the evening so that in the morning it's ready to be emptied. So I'm just going to empty it and put everything away. If there's anything dirty that needs to go in, obviously I'll do that after I've emptied it as well. And really I just make sure I have a general tidy up before I do the surfaces, because obviously it's much easier to clean down the surfaces if your kitchen is tidy. So now this is done, I'm going to use the Zoflora and a microfiber cloth to wipe down my sides, clean them, get any mess from the evening before off the surfaces from cooking dinner the evening before. I'm also going to go over shiny surfaces like the oven and the microwave with the wet Zoflora cloth. I always dry my surfaces once I've made them wet as well. I just find it gives a better finish. So I'm going to go over now with the tea towel and dry everything, particularly on the shiny surfaces like the oven. I'm going to really make sure I dry that thoroughly and rub it to make sure that it leaves a shiny finish. I don't know why I bother with this, because, you know, as soon as my son gets near the oven, his grubby fingers will be back on it anyway, but at least it's shiny for a minute. So I find that in my quick morning cleaning routine, it's too much hassle to get out the Dyson just to quickly go over the kitchen floor. So I've just got this really cheap dustpan and brush that I think I got from Proper Job for about £1 probably. And I'm just going to wipe down the floors and any crumbs that maybe went on the floor while I was cleaning the surfaces. I'd love to have one of those Dyson handhelds, but this is a cheap and easy option. I also make sure that I clean my son's high chair every morning. I'm not going to use the same cloth that I use to clean the kitchen. I like to use the disposable antibacterial cloths. These are from Aldi. I just feel like they really clean the surface of his high chair and just make sure that it's hygienic for him to have his meals off that day. So I'm just going to give that a wipe down. I'll give the chair a wipe down as well. So moving into the utility room now, and every morning I usually have washing to sort out as well. I try to put this on in an evening, so again it's ready for me to sort in the morning. So I'm just sorting out what needs to go in the tumble dryer and what needs to be hung up. As you can see, my son is always not far away when the washing machine is involved. Helpful as ever. So I'm just going to turn the tumble dryer on, and then I have one of these Victorian clothes hangers that hang from the ceiling, so I have to lower that down and then hang all the bits on there, and then I pull it back up so that it's really out of the way. It's a really good space saver. The last thing I'm going to do, because it just lets me know that my routine for the morning is finished and I can sit down and I can relax with my son, is I love to turn on a wax burner or a candle just to fill the house with a nice smell and just let me know that the day's started, really. Also, if you have guests coming around that day, then it's nice if you get that going in the morning, then the house smells really nice by the time people come over. As I've mentioned in my previous video about house smells, I have a dog and I'm beyond paranoid about, you know, dog smells, so this is pretty routine for me. So guys, that is it. That is my morning cleaning routine video. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and a subscribe before you go. If you subscribe, then you can expect to see lots more similar videos on cleaning, babies, motherhood, general life, a little bit of beauty and fashion as well. So make sure you stick around, and I'll see you next time. Bye.